Hey there, are you looking for a reliable dashcam that captures every detail on the road, whether it's day or night? If the answer is yes, then you are definitely in the right place, because today we will be reviewing the Redtiger ViewClear70 dashcam. But before we get started, I want to mention that this dashcam was sent to us for free by Redtiger in exchange for a review, and this is a paid collaboration. While I appreciate their support to my channel, this will not affect my honest thoughts whatsoever, and my review will remain 100% genuine and unbiased as always. So stick around as we explore everything that this dashcam has to offer. First off, let's start with the unboxing. As you can see, inside the box you will find the Redtiger dashcam itself with a slick, compact design, a rear camera for dual channel recording, the power cable with a car charger adapter, USB data cable, a mounting bracket, and extra cable clips for neat installation, and of course a user manual to help you through the installation. And you pretty much get everything necessary for a quick and easy installation, so you don't have to do or get anything else installing the ViewClear70 dashcam. Setting up the dashcam was super easy and straightforward. The front camera mounts easily on your windshield, and the rear camera can be installed either on the back window or outside near your license plate, whichever you prefer, and in my case I put it inside on the rear window, which is super easy. You just need to stick it there and it's good to go. You just run the cables neatly along the edges of your interior, plug into the cigarette lighter outlet, and you are ready to go. It's as simple as installing any other dashcam. Nothing is complicated. When it comes to video quality, the Redtiger ViewClear70 truly stands out. It's powered by the Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and the advanced OV Wondrix chip, giving you crystal clear dual channel recording in 4K front and 2.5K rear resolution. Whether you are driving during the day or at night, license plates and fine details come through sharp, making it a reliable witness for insurance claims or unexpected incidents. For night driving, this dashcam is equipped with dual HDR and hyper night clarity. That means even in low light conditions, highlights and shadows are balanced perfectly, while both the front and rear cameras capture full color footage with enhanced clarity, so you won't be missing a thing no matter the time of day. Another highlight is its ultra-fast connectivity. With built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi 6, you can transfer footage at speeds up to 30 megabytes per second using the upgraded Redtiger app, and you will also find built-in GPS to track routes, speed, and timestamps, making your evidence even stronger and more precise. And speaking of the app, as you can see, it is super easy and user-friendly. It allows you to do so many things, from viewing the videos, deleting, and sending to your phone. The app is definitely a great addition. It's super quick. It doesn't have any lags or anything like that. As you can see, you can access your recording straight through the app, so you don't have to take out the SD card or anything like that. Everything with a tap of a button. Controlling the ViewClear70 is also a smooth experience thanks to its combination of voice commands and intuitive touchscreen. You can start or stop recording, view footage, or adjust settings without taking your focus off the road. It is designed for convenience and safety. And speaking of touchscreen, as you can see, this feature I really like it the most, as you can do pretty much everything without pressing any buttons. Everything is on touchscreen. You can stop, start recording, and everything in between. For parking protection, the ViewClear70 has a 24-hour monitoring feature with collision-like recording and time-lapse video. Your vehicle is covered even when you are away, and for this feature you will need a hardwire kit so you can enable this function, but once set up you will enjoy peace of mind knowing your car is always being watched. Installation is quick and flexible with a retractable lens and a removable bracket. This lets you adjust the camera angle to your preference and easily move the dash cam between vehicles if needed. As you can see, the lens is super easy and flexible. You can move it up, down, or any other position. Redtiger includes a free 128GB memory card with the ViewClear70. That means seamless loop recording right out of the box without the need to buy extra storage. So that's pretty much everything I have for you today about the Redtiger ViewClear70 dashcam. I hope you guys find this review helpful and useful, and that it helps you decide whether it's the best fit for you. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more tech related reviews. And if you have any questions or comments, as always, feel free to drop them down below in the comments section. I will leave a link in the description for your convenience if you want to get yours. Enjoy crystal clear driving footage with complete peace of mind, and this dashcam is definitely one of the best that I highly recommend, so click the link in the description to get yours now and enjoy all the features that it has to offer. See you in the next video. Peace.